In this video, I'm featuring this queen size platform bed with headboard and footboard. This was sent over to me to check out and make this video. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys a quick overview of the installation. Then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my thoughts on how this all went together. In step one, you're gonna take part 3, part 12. You're gonna insert part 12 into part 3, and you'll see that both of the screw holes line up. If you put it in the opposite direction, you see that there's only one screw hole on that side, and then there's an opening right there, that square opening. That's incorrect. You want to make sure that both screw holes line up inside of the holes when you insert this in. All right, so now you got 4 part 3s with part 12 inserted. You're going to take your 4 part 1s. They made up like so. And you're going to put 2 screws in those 2 screw holes for all 4 pieces. So next up, you're going to take those pieces that you just built. We're going to attach those to part number 2 to make the headboard. All right, so we got our headboard assembled. That's the first part of step 3. The second part of step 3 is attaching part 4 to the remaining rail to make the footboard. So that's what we're going to do next. Now we're on step 4. This thing's starting to look like a bed. We're taking these side rails. We're going to attach those to the headboard and the footboard. We're on step 4, which is right there. All right, the bed is coming along. We're now about to install the cross braces. This is step number 5 in the installation process. Okay, now we're on to step 6. We're going to put this cross member here onto those 2 posts. Step 6 right there. All right, guys, now we're on to step 7. We're going to put these 2 cross members here onto these rails here like so. We're going to secure these down with our remaining 4 bolts. All right, so now we have a bed. All of the cross members are secured. Everything's all put together. This is final step, step 8. The only thing we have to do is put our slats across those cross members there, and the bed is complete. All right, so here's the wrap up. The box came very well packaged. All the parts were labeled, easy to identify. The instructions were fairly clear. There was a couple of parts that kind of didn't make sense, but I got it all sorted out. If you've ever put together a piece of IKEA furniture, this will be no problem for you. So, you know, the bed itself, these are made out of a steel material. They've been powder coated, so they're going to be rust resistant and all that good stuff. They're very stable. I've actually took one of these out. I had one that did not have a headboard and a footboard. I took that out to put this one in. So I've been sleeping on one of these here for quite a while. They're very stable. I've got an 8-inch memory foam mattress that I had to put on top of this here. So, you know, I'm 6 foot, 230 pounds. I had no issues whatsoever sleeping on this style bed. So guys, if you're looking for very well made, fairly easy to assemble bed for your guest room, dorm, or even your main room, you may want to give this a try. I hope this helps.